Hello y'all, it's me Bella and welcome back to another how to do it video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the basic idea of how to make bracelets. Maybe you can even make bracelets with me. You know what, type down in the comments below if you like making bracelets and tell me what type of bracelets you really like, okay? So I have a bunch of bracelet kits to make like the perfect bracelet today. And then at the end I might show you some bracelet inspiration. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna show you what bracelet kits I have. So I have this really nice like crystal bead one, and these like they're these really tiny but really cute beads. I have something kind of similar but it's opaque. These are like translucent and these are opaque and they're really shiny. And then I have another one of those but different colors. And I also have these clay beads, these clay beads, but the clay bead set's in here, but I just wanted to show you the box it came in. Oh, there's so much, I can't even fit on my table. But okay, that's okay. And so what you're gonna need is basically any beads you like. There's a bunch of different beads out there, seed beads, clay beads, these beads, okay. And you're also gonna need string. These came with a bunch of string, but I'm just gonna use my original string, this strong and stretchy. It's really stretchy. I really like it, and I make a bunch of my bracelets with it. So, I think let's just look through the bracelet kits first, and then we're gonna decide on what we want our bracelet to look like. So let's put these three aside, because I kind of want to see what's inside this box. So let's just say, I just want to say how cute this box really is. It says Lynn Moss clay beads bracelets grandma. So here it just has like a clam of a pearl I think, and these flowers and A, E and letters and stuff. And here it has basically instructions on how to tie and that. So if you want you can look at it a little bit. But I'll show you how to tie a bracelet anyways. So let's see. Ooh! The beads came in baggies. Nice. Just put the box aside. So, okay, I have fears of like opening it the wrong way because that's happened to me like a bunch of times. So let's just say how much they've included, the different colors they have in. Ooh, they have little wooden beads inside too. We have pearls, we have letters, golden letters and normal letters. We have golden charms. We have a smiley face. I always wanted those. We have like little like seashells, and we have like smiley faces and hearts here, but they're like smaller and in the shape of these letter things. And we have like different colors. We have like normal colors, like bold colors, and then we have these beads that are mixed with different colors, and that's kind of cool. Yep, so that's interesting. And everything's in plastic baggies, and it even came with string, which is highly appreciated. So let's see. You know, I kind of want to open it. Okay, we're just gonna see how it looks inside. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it came with tweezers as well. Oh, the tweezers are in. Look at it. Tweezers. So that's nice. Oh, it came with scissors. They're so cute. They're so tiny baby scissors. I guess I'm not gonna be needing these big whoopers anymore. Yay! Okay. Let's put that inside as well. So you have these smiley faces up close a little bit. They're like plastic. We have like charms, letters and that. And we have this crystal tack too. Put that there. Put that there. And just close that up, and then I'm gonna make a bracelet with a combination of all the beads I have. So let's check out these translucent beads because they're actually really nice. Yay! What you doing there, mister? Okay, look at it, it's beautiful. And there's 28 different colors. Ooh, look at that bead. Look at that. It's kind of tiny, but they're really pretty colors. And I'm already thinking of bracelet ideas. So you can just have a nice look at it and close it up. Okay, and check out these two. They're all quite good quality beads. Okay, I'm just gonna check out this. Ooh, looky. Oh. Sorry about that. I'm very perfectionist. So these are basically kind of the same. So I'm not gonna go through both. I'm just gonna show you how they look on the inside. They're just very similar, if you know what I mean. So now let's think of what we're gonna do. I really want to make a bracelet including this, like the smiley faces. So yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna make like a really nice pastel color bracelet because there's a bunch of pastels in here. So that would be cute. So let's just pick out a few clay beads first. Let's put that aside and pick out the clay bead colors we would like. Because my vision is like I'm gonna have like so basically I want, how do you explain it? So basically all I want is like the little like crystal beads and like those beads, and then I'm gonna have like clay beads in the middle of it. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. That is actually really nice. This pink. I love the pink. This a small amount. Yeah, I think the pink would be kind of cute. And I'm gonna choose another color to go with the pink. So a blue. I'm gonna choose blue. Now I'm gonna choose a smiley face. There is a pink and a blue smiley face, but I'm gonna choose a yellow smiley face because it's nice to be different. So, picking out the smiley face. Okay, put that away. Look at that little smiley face. And I think that's all I'm gonna use. I don't think I want to use the letters a lot exactly. So yeah. This is what I got from the clay beads for my bracelet. And now I'm gonna look at these. So here, I think I'm gonna choose like so opening. Okay, opened it. So I think I'm gonna choose like I think I'm probably gonna choose like, oh, this peach is cute. This peach, this pink, and this blue. So I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna keep this one out because yeah, there's a bunch of different colors in there. And next I'm gonna check out these. So I think I'm gonna, I'm gonna take off the peach and I'm gonna use this, one of the colors from here. I'm gonna use this is hard to choose from, like, oh yeah, and these, they have like, they're like blended in with different colors, and that's actually really nice. This is so hard. Gotta choose to do this and this as well, so it's gonna be sort of like a mix. This is so hard. I like these two. I like everything. It's kind of hard to choose, but I think I'm gonna use these two. Then I'm gonna use blue from here. Then I'm gonna use pink from here. Yeah. So I finally made my decision. So I'm gonna use a pink. The pinks from here. Perfect. So let's get to it. I think I should use a yellow because I feel bad for yellow, but I'm not going to use a yellow because I don't want to use a yellow. I just want a yellow smiley face. So let's get to it. So first of all, we're going to get a tape, and I like keeping the tape our string, and I like keeping the string, like I don't like cutting off the string, so I'm just gonna do something like that. You can't really see the string because it's clear, but you'll see how I put on the bracelets. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna empty out some, I'm gonna grab some of these so that I can use them. And then I'm gonna grab, I think I'm gonna use like, I don't know how many of these little beads I'm gonna use because there's so many of them. Yeah, a little bit of those. Ta-da. And if anything, I can just grab some more from there. So first of all, I'm gonna grab my blue. Gonna put it on the string. Like so. So tiny. And then I'm gonna do something like, I'm gonna add this very cute pig to it. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. And then I'm just gonna put like a blue and a pink of these in the middle. Then I'm just gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna fast forward this. So, yep, fast forward time. Okay everyone, I have finally finished with my design and I have gotten my design length. I very sadly actually forgot to take the baby scissors, so I'm just gonna use my big old whoopers for this one, and I'm gonna basically show you how to tie a knot. So I like cutting myself like a nice long piece of string so that like nothing wrong happens to it. So first of all, you gotta tie the first, like the first thing you do in a shoelace, like that. Next, you're gonna do it again, but the other way. So like the one you used to do like that part, you're gonna use the other one to like knot it. And next, you're gonna do the same thing, but you are going to do it twice in one. So you're gonna get it through, and then you're gonna get it through again. Then tie it. Then you're gonna do the same thing but the opposite way, like the opposite piece. Oh no. And then I like just the big shirt, so I just do a few more like single knots until I feel like it's gonna be like until I feel like I've done enough. But like then yay, I have my bracelet. Oh, it's So cute. So, but I have to cut off the excess string. Okay. I think this bracelet turned out really cute. I really love the little smiley face. It's really cute, and I love the little mashup I did with all of the ones. So, I hope you enjoyed, but for all those people who have, like me, who have to sit down for hours just thinking of bracelet ideas, I am going to show you different bracelets inspo. So let's do it. So of course we have this one. So let's do it. So let me just put this here and roll up the inspo. So that is some of the bracelets I have made. So as you can see, I have some clay beads and I have some crystal beads. So yeah, I really like this new bracelet I have made today. It's actually really cute and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Tell me down below what bracelet kit was your favorite, what you would do if you had the same bracelet kit as me. Thank you so much for coming today. I really appreciate all of you. And if you would like to support me further, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And I hope your bracelet turns out really nicely. Bye!